Join me today and welcome to the beautiful Casa Mira. Share with you one of our top luxury listings. Hello everyone, Sarah Breitlander here, owner of Krain Luxury Real Estate. I hope you guys are happy and well. And today we are going to take a video tour of our newest listing, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath located right in the heart of Playa, Potrero in the Guanacaste region of Costa Rica. But before we go on the tour, I want to say a couple things. Number one, thank you so much for supporting this channel. We're getting more viewers on a daily basis. It's so nice to see. And number two, make sure, I presume if you're watching this channel, you are interested in Costa Rica. You're very interested in real estate in Costa Rica, or at least curious about real estate in Costa Rica. So be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because you know me, I'm in here before the photographers get in here, sometimes before it's even up on the website. I want my viewers to be the first in line to see these products as they're coming to the market. How else can you follow real estate? Well, I'm on Instagram, so please follow me at Sarah in Costa Rica. That's Sarah with an H in Costa Rica. Krain Costa Rica you can follow on Instagram. And I like this because you can see price corrections, price reductions, and man, sometimes when those price reductions are significant, it goes fast. And of course, we can't really advertise that on our YouTube channel, right? This is not the right venue to do that. But if you're following us on our social media, you can see those. Facebook, find me, Sarah Breitlander. I'm right there, and I'm always keeping my clients kind of abreast on the real estate situation down here. Okay. Where are we? We're in Potrero, but where are we specifically? We are in the Jazmin development, and I have not had a listing come up in this development for a while, and I'm so excited for a couple reasons. It's funny because, obviously I love $1 million homes. Of course, who doesn't with the great ocean views? But I also get really, really excited about this product. You know why? Because this is like what I consider an entry-level product for my clients. Not everyone has $1 million or $500,000 cash to invest in Costa Rica. This is at a great price point, and I get excited because it helps my clients' dreams come true. There's limited product at this kind of entry-level position, and there's a high demand for it. So when we get one of these units, I just get so excited. Usually, if you watch this channel, usually you know a lot of those products are in the villagios, which I love. The villagios are great. But this is in the Jazmin complex. So it's not a 5 to 8 minute walk to the beach like the villagios are. We are less than 2 minutes. I should call it 1, but that would be, no. Let's say 2 minutes and you'll be pleasantly surprised. Sometimes you can hear the waves right from here. So I love that. You're right in the Surfside Estates neighborhood. So you're walking to all the bars, restaurants, shops, which is great. This is, well, come on with me. Let's get started. I don't want to take up too much of your time here in the entry, but this is a very intimate 8-unit development. So you kind of enter through here. There's always a security guy here. They do check-ins here for you or for your guests, your vacationers. And you can see this takes you right to the gorgeous pool area, and we'll get to that in a moment. So walking to everything, intimate development, only 8 units, super secure, and just right in the heart of everything. This is why I love Jazmin. So this is Jazmin 101, and come on, follow me. No steps, you're right on the ground floor, and I love that. No steps in, and you just walk right out to the pool. This is my favorite part about this condo. This is a partially renovated condo, you guys. Brand new kitchen. Love these white countertops with the waterfall edge. So this serves as a breakfast bar too, and it's really smart because they put cabinets over here. So a lot of storage space in these condos, which there are like 1 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms in here. This is a 2-bedroom. And I think the owners have just done a great job. I love this subway tile backsplash. These floating shelves are super nice, and I love that it's really stylish with these floating shelves, but also there's plenty of storage down here. So it's really the best of both worlds. This is a really nice and bright kitchen. You have your window here. Just look at this. Isn't this lovely? You have everything you need here. Best kitchen in this development. And they did a great job with it. So come on through here. You'll see that there's a lot of natural Costa Rican hardwood throughout this home, which I love. The Guanacaste wood, it's very highly coveted here. So you have indoor dining for 6. You can have your friends over. Just a really nice vibe and a really nice feel about this condo. Look at this nice sectional. I mean, I just think this is so comfortable, you know? You can get your foot in the door with this condo and be walking to everything, 2-minute walk to the beach, and just really live comfortably in this condo. So that's why I get really excited about it. Okay, let's check out the second bedroom next, this way. There are 2 full baths. So this is the first full bath and also serves as a powder room for your guests. And I really like the showers in here. They're nice and large, and they have the rain shower, which is nice. In-unit laundry, stackable laundry, which is really, really nice, right? And then here is kind of the guest bedroom for them. Okay, I love the palms right out here. They've got it a little darker with the lampshade, but if you change the lampshade, it would totally brighten this up, no problems. I love that so much natural light comes into this condo. It's so great. Huge closet space here. Many of my clients even like lock half of it out because your guests don't even need all that space if you rent it out as a vacation rental. So you can use that and just lock it and leave it, your things here if you want. So you have a ton of space here. Really love this accent. I think this is perfect. A nice little bench to put your things on, a mirror here. It kind of makes everything look bigger. Really like their style. Okay, so now we are in the principal bedroom, and here's the principal bath. Again, really nice and large. Really nice and large, a good size for these condos, I have to say. And then look how nice and bright. Of course, you can have blackout shades if you wanted, but I just love a nice, bright principal bedroom. And then you can just see you're looking out to all the flora out there, and this is really nice. Again, huge closet here. They have a queen bed here, but there's plenty of space to put a king. Okay, I'm sure you noticed as you went through the living room that there is an outdoor area. You can just go right out there, but also you can access your own private outdoor area from the principal bedroom. And this is my other favorite part besides the kitchen. Look at this. Talk about easy access. So you have a ceiling fan out here, although the breezes are really, really nice right now. Great vegetation. The gardener here just takes such good care of this property. You have everything you need right out here, right off the living area, right? And then, that's what I love about this unit. It's on the corner, so you're only sharing one wall, so it's more private. And then you just walk right out to this lovely pool area and vegetation. At this price point, you can't beat this. You really can't. Nice pool, jacuzzi tub. There are also his and her restrooms. There's a kind of an outdoor bodega there. There's a palapa for you and your guests to enjoy with the grill station. So this is Via Jazmin 101, guys. This is coming to the market as soon as we can get it up, but I wanted to get you in to see it first. Let us know if you have any questions. Be sure to email us at info@craincostarica.com if you have any interest. Ciao for now. Thanks so much. Pura vida.